Imagine a world where a sneeze could trigger a seizure. In the realm of epilepsy, this isn't just a quirky idea. It's a reality. Some individuals with epilepsy experience seizures triggered by sneezing, a phenomenon known as reflex epilepsy. While most of us see sneezing as a mere annoyance, for these individuals, it can be a serious trigger. This peculiar fact highlights the diverse and unpredictable nature of epilepsy, where even the most mundane actions can have surprising consequences. Curious for more intriguing facts? Hit like, comment, and subscribe to keep the surprises coming.